Let me check. I'll read it. I remember. I just remember. I can't read. We should go see the author and ask him about it.
Yeah, that's a great idea. I'm gonna go and ask him. I'm gonna shut this book and throw it right down. Good idea. Let's go.
Okay. This is where the author lives. Okay.
Hey, writer dude. Hey. Oh, drop your
Yeah,
glasses.
okay. So, what's the problem?
Oh, your book doesn't have an ending.
Oh, that's crazy. Show me.
Yeah, check it out.
Oh my gosh, you're right. Here, I'll get out my pen and I'll sign it.
Oh
And,
my gosh.
And I finished it too.
Thanks so much. Oh wow, that was so great.
Yeah.
Writer dude.
Letarg. Gonna eat you. Oh, Letarg. Yeah, Letarg. Ow, what the? No. Ow. I'm a Letarg. Letarg. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. That's disgusting. What you do?